Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to use the NSSavePanel in native macOS application to save any kind of file. So here I have created a native macOS application. I am using Swift UI, but you can use AppKit as well. It doesn't really matter. The NSSavePanel is actually from AppKit, so we have to import AppKit any which ways. The first thing which you have to do is go to sign in, and so first I'll show you the output. So here I have one button called save file, and I have just hard coded some text which I want to save this file inside my code. So if I click on save file, here you can see that I can just type whatever I want, file name, and you can select whatever folder you want. I'll just save it inside the downloads folder, and if I click on save, the file has been saved. If I go to my downloads folder, here you can see the file has been saved and it opens it inside text edit. So this is the actual file. So I'll just close it. So first what you have to do is, inside sign in and capabilities, for user selected file, make sure you give the read/write permission. Then you will have to go to your content view. I'm using Swift UI. If you are using AppKit, I think it would be view controller. Here you will have to import AppKit as well as uniform type identifiers, and on button click I'm just calling this show save panel. So if you see over here, we are just calling NSSavePanel. I am giving it some title called save your documents. Show tag field is false, and allow content types is allow. I only want to save text type of documents, that's why this is text. And if run model is equal to okay, that means the file has been saved. We will get the URL, and I save the file to that particular URL. And if you see the save file, it takes a URL. Here is our content. Then we just do content.write to our particular URL. Automatically is true, and encoding is UTF-8. In case of any error, I'm just printing it to the console. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Here instead of hello world, you can write whatever you feel like. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.